morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Sir Monte. Good morning, classmates.
Okay, grade 4. Our lesson for today is under multiplying by two-digit multiplier. Example is 85 times 24. So, this is the example of two-digit multiplier. This is the multiplier, 24. First in line, we multiply the 1 first. First, 5 times 4 is 20. Bring down 0, carry 2. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 2 equals 34. Next line, we multiply the 1 first. Kailangan dito sa 10 place. Dito pala, nakatapat. First, 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 2 times 8 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. And then, so we're going to add the partial product. So, if there's no number, bring down 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 7 is 21. 11, carry 1. So, meaning 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, the answer is 85 times 24. It equals to 2,140. Class, this is the example of multiplying by two-digit multiplier. I will give you a one given numbers. Example, 75 times 23. Okay, class, this is my example. Everybody, answer it at home. So, to everyone, this is unknown. To all grade 4, goodbye to everyone.
Bye, Sir Monte. Thank you for teaching us. See you tomorrow.
Okay.